When it comes to midsize sedans, the market is crowded. But every once in a while, a model comes along that doesn't just blend in, it stands out and rewrites the rules. The Kia K5 GT is exactly that car. It's bold, powerful, and loaded with features that prove sedans can be exciting, sophisticated, and practical all at once. From the first glance, the K5 GT makes a statement. Kia's designers took everything they've learned from the world of performance cars and poured it into this sleek, aggressive silhouette. The front fascia features a wide, tiger nose grille flanked by piercing LED headlights, sharp, angular, and full of attitude. The lower bumper's sporty air intakes and the aerodynamic side skirts give it a ready-to-race look without sacrificing elegance. Turn to the side and you'll notice the muscular stance accentuated by 19-inch alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires. The coupe-like roofline adds a touch of sleekness, and the GT badging on the fenders signals that this isn't your everyday sedan. Inside, Kia continues the sporty theme with a driver-focused cockpit. The seats hug your body with premium leather and bold red stitching, offering both comfort and support during spirited drives. The flat-beamered steering wheel feels natural and responsive in your hands, giving you total command over the road. Technology in the K5 GT isn't just an afterthought. The large 10.25-inch touchscreen display controls your navigation, media, and vehicle settings with ease. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, allowing you to stay connected without clutter or cables. And the premium Bose sound system, it transforms your drives into a concert-like experience, delivering crisp highs and booming lows. But the true heart of the K5 GT lies beneath the hood. The turbocharged 2.5-liter inline-4 engine roars with 290 horsepower and 311 lb-ft of torque, numbers that put many competitors to shame. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, gear changes are smooth, precise, and lightning-fast. What really elevates the driving experience is the available limited-slip differential, which helps keep power planted during aggressive cornering. Whether you're carving through winding roads or accelerating on the highway, the K5 GT feels confident and alive. Kia didn't stop at power. The sport-tuned suspension with adaptive dampers adjusts dynamically to road conditions. This means you get a comfortable ride on rough pavement, but firm, controlled handling when you're pushing the car to its limits. One of the most impressive aspects of the K5 GT is its advanced safety features. Forward collision avoidance with pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and smart cruise control all come standard. These systems work seamlessly to protect you without being intrusive, giving peace of mind whether you're on a daily commute or a weekend getaway. Customization is key too. Drive mode selectors let you switch between eco, comfort, sport, and smart modes, tailoring throttle response, steering feel, and suspension stiffness to your mood. Want efficiency for traffic? Eco mode has you covered. Craving adrenaline? Sport mode sharpens every aspect of performance. Fuel efficiency is surprisingly competitive thanks to smart engine management and aerodynamic design. This means you get thrilling power without constant stops at the pump. But let's not forget practicality. The K5 GT offers ample rear seat space and a roomy trunk, making it a versatile choice for families or anyone who needs a car that's as functional as it is fun. For many driving enthusiasts, the question is, how does the K5 GT compare to rivals like the Honda Accord Sport, Toyota Camry TRD, or Mazda 6 Turbo? Early impressions suggest Kia has not only matched but in some aspects surpassed the competition, especially in terms of technology, interior quality, and value. So what does the future hold for the Kia K5 GT? With its combination of aggressive styling, powerful performance, and smart tech, it's set to redefine what a mid-size sports sedan can be. It's a car that excites the senses without sacrificing everyday usability. If you're passionate about driving and want to see more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and test drives of the K5 GT and other performance vehicles, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this deep dive, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Get ready to experience the perfect blend of style, speed, and sophistication. The Kia K5 GT isn't just a car, it's a statement on wheels. The road is waiting. Are you ready to take control?